Hey guys, my name is Samuel Sagwa, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today I want to take a look at the Yeezy Boost 700 MNVN by Adidas and Kanye West in a black colorway. These released on Saturday the 8th of February 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £180. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the N London store. Back to the shoes, this comes in your classic brown cardboard Adidas Yeezy slide-out box with the style code FV4440. It comes wrapped in your usual plain beige paper without any accessories. Personally, I like that Kanye keeps the same packaging, which is very easy to store and stack on top of each other, but an extra set of laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. If the Yeezy Boost 350 TRUFRM stands for True Form, does this mean the MNVN stands for Minivan? Very questionable name for the new member of the Yeezy 700 family, as well as some questionable design choices. One choice I feel like we're all happy with is the reduced retail price to £180, just like the recent 700 V3 Resale from the steep £250 retail seen on the 700 OG and 700 V2. However, like the 700 V3, I feel like the materials feel cheaper and overall less comfortable. The 700 MVNN features a slightly padded polyester upper, which is supposed to reduce weight and improve breathability. There is a little bit of synthetic leather at the tongue. It features rubber overlays at the heel and toe for added support and protection. And what's nice is the 700 print on the lateral side, as well as some hits at the toe and heel, is made of silver reflective 3M, which is a nice touch, so I expect them to pop at night. Another feature I like about this 700 is that they keep the same 700 Boost sole seen on the V1 and V2 with that puzzle inspired traction outsole. It's super comfortable with nice traction on the outsole. One thing I don't like is the bungee slip-on lacing system. Aesthetically, it looks okay, but I'm not a fan of slip-on shoes that don't allow you to adjust the tightness, unlike the Puma Disc Blaze and the Reebok Interpump Fury. And sizing wise, I went up half a size to my Yeezy Boost 350 and 380 sizing, which is a UK 11.5, but that hard rubber toe cap and snug bungee lacing doesn't allow much wiggle room. Despite my criticisms, I'm very happy to get my pair for retail, especially since this was a London, New York and Tokyo exclusive. It's a nice addition to the 700 family, but it's not my favourite. But I feel like it's more open to more colours like orange. I do like the idea of a neon green one. It does have that kind of sportswear look. That's why I pair these with some running tights. It looks like something more of a shoe that Kanye and Kim Kardashian seem to enjoy wearing to the gym. So maybe that's why it's not as lifestyle or as premium. So did any of you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or are you passing? Let me know why in the comments below. And if you're not sure what to comment, please comment Minivan to show me you watched this video to the end. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and follow me if you'd like to see more content like this. Apart from that, thank you so much for watching and have a good day.